Hello everyone, my name is Richie and welcome to my channel Rich and Lux. So today we're gonna do an unboxing. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this piece for a long time. My SA called me and she said, let's order this. We're now able to order it here on my end. So but we have to do this before the store closes, and it was like 30 minutes before closing time. So I'm like, oh my god, I had to like call, and then I had to call my bank, and then okay, they authorized it, and then finally it went through. So I'm like, I was so happy. Okay, I have the bag, but oops, I said it. But anyways, the thing is though, I had to wait about 3 weeks before it was actually ready to pick up from the store. Here it is. Finally it's here, and I wanted to just open it with you guys. I know if you don't already know, I've just started my luxury journey like 4 months ago, and so far the luxury bug has definitely bit me. I'm slowly building my collection, and thank you for being there and unboxing these things with me. So here it is. I'm just gonna take it up from the box, and then I'm just gonna open it because I already opened this actually, and I was just too excited. And finally here I'll have her, and just as you notice, there's no ribbon. Yep, I think I've only had one ribbon from all my purchases so far, but here it is, guys. Louis Vuitton, and even the dust bag has a little bit of mark here. I don't know if this was probably a return, I don't know, but I'm just glad and happy that I got this piece. So here it is. I know, this is just so cute and dainty. Ta-da! So I got the Speedy BB. This is the black lambskin leather with the embossed monogram pattern. It has the rolled handles, double handles. This is with the gold hardware. As you can see, you can have this bag luggage tag here with a really nice, gorgeous LV monogram logo here in gold hardware. And then here's the D-ring for the strap, the studs, and then I don't know, maybe we can open this. It says there's a padlock, but there's really no padlock. I'm not sure why they said that, but here's the care card, what is this? It says outside lambskin. I believe this is a new material for Louis Vuitton with the monogram ink here, embossed. And you probably have seen this, I'm not sure, but this is the gorgeous part of this braided leather. It's leather and gold hardware here. As you can see, there's still the plastic here with the LV right there. This is really a gorgeous bag chain, you guys. Strap, and of course the very, very delicate lambskin soft. I don't have any thing to compare it with, but Melly in Melbourne just got hers too, and she said that this type of lambskin is more robust than the Chanel lambskin, so it's, I guess, it's more carefree maybe. But I don't know if you notice, there's this crease here on this side, but I think if you like pull it like that, the crease goes away. See, push it if it's full. So Yes, this is the side here. The only thing though is it doesn't come with feet. I don't see any scratches or anything, just the creases, because you know this it's just soft leather though. It's like buttery soft leather. So there's the two top handles and the removable braided leather and gold strap right here. This is about 6.9 inches and then 5.5 inches here, and on the height, and then the width is about 4.5 inches or something like that, or 4.3 I said. There's a little bit, I don't know if this is a scratch or a lint here. Oh my god, what is this? Not sure what that is, but I love it. It's just so low-key, I guess, because you can't really tell. I'm sorry, oops, camera. You can't really tell the logo there or the print unless you shine it on a light here. So that's what I love about this too. And then it's so cute, it's so tiny. So yeah, so this is the lambskin embossed leather, and then the handles and the trims are cowhide leather trims. And then we have the, so dark inside, but it's just microfiber lining here, if you can see. And then we have a leather pocket right there, and it says made in Italy, and I believe the date code is here somewhere. When I checked it, it was made on the 37th week. I think that's about second week of September, I believe. So yeah, I have this in my collection, and I know I haven't really had any monograms, you know, those classic monogram bags, but I just love the, you know, the uniqueness of these designs, and it's just low-key, not too loud, and so small and dainty. So I just love it. I think it's about 20 centimeters compared to the 25 Speedy. So roughly, they say it's about, the chain drop is about 22 inches, but I think when I measured it, it was actually about 20.5 inches or something. Then of course the zip closure with the leather pull here. So it's just also buttery soft. Love the sound, is just satisfying to the ear. Right? There you go. And I'm gonna do a little bit of mod shots later, and the strap is just really gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is just so cute. Right there. Oh my gosh. I'm so happy that I have this in my collection. And you can also do another way to do the handles. See? So you can do it like this also, right? Oh my goodness, this is so cute. That's it, guys. It's so cute. So I'm gonna do the mod shots later, and yep,